It's early morning.
It's early morning. You slowly open your eyes. The room is quiet. Soft sunlight comes through the window. The first light of the day touches your face.
It's early morning. Today is a new beginning.
You take a deep breath. The air feels fresh. You hear birds outside. They are singing in the trees. You look out the window. The sky is clear. For a moment, everything feels calm. You think about your dreams. You think about your goals. Today is a new beginning. You get out of bed. You walk to the bathroom. You wash your face. You brush your teeth. The cold water wakes you up.
That smells amazing.
Thanks. Your chopping looks great. Want a taste?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
In the kitchen, someone is already there. You smell coffee. Your family is starting their day too. And now, the first conversation of the morning begins.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, sweetie. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I feel great today.
And listen to the birds outside.
They sound happy this morning.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. What are we having for breakfast?
Eggs and toast. Sounds good.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please.
Here you go, sweetie.
Thank you, Mommy.
Is it good?
It's really good.
This is nice. Ready for your big day, kiddo?
Yeah, Dad, I'm ready.
Have a wonderful day, sweetie.
I will, Mom. Bye.
Bye. We're so proud of you.
Love you. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Have a great day, sweetie.
Learn lots, kiddo.
I will. Love you.
Let's review the most important phrases you'll hear in a simple family breakfast conversation. Repeat after me. Good morning. Did you sleep well? I feel great today. Are you hungry? Do you want some coffee? Have a wonderful day. Model sentence. I woke up early, washed my face, and had breakfast with my family before starting my day. These simple phrases will help you talk naturally with your family in the morning, enjoy everyday conversations at home, and start your day with confidence.